Baby say, learn and play. Baby say, come and play. Let's play.
Hello there. Such a wonderful day to learn something new. Let's count numbers together with Momo.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now let's sing a song together. Momo will help.
I say 1. You say 1. I say 1. Baby say 1. Good job. I say 2. You say 2. I say 2. Baby say 2. Amazing. I say 3. You say 3. I say 3. Baby say 3. You're doing great. I say 4. I say 4. You say 4. You say 4. I say 4. Baby say 4. Keep it up. I say 5. You say 5. I say 5. Baby say 5. High five. We did it. Whoa!
You did a great job counting. Let's count with Momo one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Whoa!
Well done. Momo says bye-bye and he hopes to see you next time.